Hi, Rene here, and this is the very last of the Disney layouts for you. This one had a really neat design, but I think I messed it up, but it's okay because it doesn't matter. It's just fun. So the other thing I did was when I turned on the camera to capture putting it all together, for the first page, I forgot to turn on the camera. I looked up to see how long it took me because it seemed to be really, really fast, and it was really fast. It took me no time at all because I forgot to turn on the camera. So you won't get this page, but you will get the second page, and it's very similar in the way that you put it together. When you cut these two pieces right here, you do cut them at an angle, and then when you put them down at an angle. Now, the circles are supposed to match up, so I think I got them switched or something, but I don't think it makes a big difference. And once I get all the pictures on, I don't think it'll really make a big difference at all. This was really fun to put together. If you use the instructions that the other consultant put together and you want to use the same exact layout, which I did this almost exactly like she did. When you're putting this on, the way I did it was I put my letters pretty close together. Now what she did is she wasn't using this really for Disney per se, is she used this heart in place of the Mickey shorts. So if you want to do that, the heart will just go on top and it will overlap a little bit. Now, when I was putting this sticker down, I noticed that it was blending too much. So I just used a Copic marker, just the darkest marker I have, which is an N8. You can use any color marker if you want to do it this way. I just put a little bit of color on the edge of that just so it stood out, so it wouldn't just blend in and be, just this big blob. The other thing I did is I just started putting some stickers on. I do still have some stickers left, so I may go back through all of the layouts I did and see if any of these stickers will work on those layouts, because I'd really like to finish the sticker sheet and get it thrown away rather than having to hold on to it. So I'll go back and do that, and then I'll probably use some of these holographic stars and hearts on this layout because I think it works well with that. So I'm going to go back once I figure out what pictures I'm using and do that. And as far as pictures, so we've got lots of different areas that we can do pictures. The way that it was designed was a 4x6 will go right here. Another 4x6 goes right here. Then you have a 3x4 that's just sort of at an angle, kind of tucked underneath some things. But I decided not to do it that way. I decided to leave it open. And the way I'm going to do it is move this up and then put a 3x3 right here so that the arrow is, and I'm going to line these guys up. And you're going to have to use, when you put your pictures down, you're going to have to use a T-ruler or some kind of straight edge. Because this paper here is striped and it's at an angle, it's going to mess with your eyes and you're not going to be able to get your pictures on straight. And I think because there's so much craziness going on, you need to have your pictures straight in order to pull it all together. Otherwise, it'll just look like, as Sandy Allnut called it, sneeze. And you just sneezed and everything fell wherever it fell. So personally, that's what I'm going to do. So that's kind of how this page was designed. Then for this page, so that's one page. For this page, it was designed for a 4x6 right there, and then a 4x4 here in this corner like that. Then it called for another 4x6 that's kind of tucked under, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think what I'm gonna do is use a 3x4 and pull a 3x4 in here, and again, use my T-ruler so I can get it lined up correctly and get that lined up. And I may also pull in a little bit more of this red paper right here. Let me pull this over a little bit and show you. I still have some of this red paper as scraps. I may cut a, what am I trying to say? A backing, a mat. There we go. Oh my goodness gracious. A mat for that one. so that it has something behind it. But I don't think I want any more of the stripes. I think I need some solid to pull in the solid from over here. I do still have a little bit left of this paper right here, so I might use some on this other side because it doesn't have any of that paper. So I may do that to kind of pull them together, but it really depends on what pictures I end up pulling over. And then I also have some room if I want to do some journaling here. I can put a tag right here with the date or any other kind of information that I want to include. So there's a lot of things I can still do once I pull the pictures in to put them on. So I hope you enjoyed this whole series. This was a really fun paper pad to work with, and I want to show you what I have left over. So let me pull this out of the way. As you already saw the stickers I have left, but let me show you all the paper I have left. So I have some of the holographic paper. I actually have one full sheet of the white holographic, a full sheet of the black star holographic left, a good amount of the yellow, and a little bit of the glacier holographic. And then of course I have like some strips and some other little pieces, and then just some solid colored cardstock that I still have left that I didn't use all of it. But that I can use really for anything. But so that kind of shows you that you do have quite a bit left over of this specialty holographic paper. So what I'm probably going to do is turn some of these into birthday cards, because I just think that this holographic paper really yells birthday. But I want to wait to do that until I put my pictures in my layouts, just in case I want to use any of this stuff to fill in some little things, or to maybe make some additional just little embellishments, like cut some circles or whatever. And then let me show you the pattern paper that I still have left. I actually have quite a bit of the pattern paper left. I did not use all of the zip strips. These are really good to use on cards. A really nice element for cards. I still have, this and some of the striped paper. Again, this is the other side. Then there's the yellow, and I love this. I think that'll look really nice on a card. Now, I did cut this such that it kept this starburst or sunburst, so I may use that sunburst for something. I don't know. Some more of the star paper, and then full sheets of this paper, a full sheet of this paper, still have a full sheet of that one, a full sheet of that one, and that one. So really making 6 layouts, so 12 pages. I, in theory, used half of a paper pack. So I have quite a bit of this paper left that I can make some other things, and it's just such happy paper that, yeah, I think it's going to be mainly birthday cards, which I can always use a lot of birthday cards, and then I donate cards, and they can always use a lot of birthday cards with the donations. So if you would like to watch the process of putting this together, well, half of it anyway, because I forgot to push the button, just stay tuned. I will have that directly after this. If you want a copy of these, the cutting guides and the instructions for how to put together this workshop of, again, 6 layouts, so 12 pages, using pretty much half a paper pack, almost all the stickers, and I will probably go through and add more and use the rest of these stickers, and probably about 3/4 of the specialty cardstock paper pack. Just leave me a comment down below. I will be more than happy to send you a copy of it, totally free. You don't have to buy anything, but just let me know that you're interested in it, and I will get that to you. If you're interested in this paper line, this is called Happiest Place, and it is available, I believe, through the end of August. If that's not correct, I will leave a little thing here on the bottom correcting myself. I probably should have looked that up before I started talking. But I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you enjoy the process, and Just let me know what you think of this series, if you'd like to see more like this where I split up videos into one layout per video, and if you like this process that I've started of introducing the project and showing it to you, and then just giving you the option to watch the process if you want to see the process. Just let me know what you think of that, and I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.